They're quite expensive, guys. £1.50. You just see a lot of like £1 items. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. I hope you're all doing well. And today I'm bringing you a food haul video. We are going to Aldi and I'll be comparing if Aldi is actually cheaper than supermarkets like ASDA or Tesco's. We usually go there and we roughly spend around £70 to £80 a week. So it'll be interesting to see if Aldi will be less than that. So we'll be doing our usual food shop and I'll be sharing it with you guys. Here I've got my list. So every week I like to just write down the meals that I want to have for the week, and then I can go and shop for the items that I'm gonna be using it in the meals. So here we've got taco stuffed sweet potato, cottage cheese, spinach and mushroom pasta, sausage and veggies and rice, pasta fillets, mash and asparagus, curry and rice. So I'm gonna be buying all the ingredients for that. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys some inspiration as well for what to cook at home. And let's go to Aldi now and see what they've got.
Start the shop. You can do it. Oh, real pro.
Get some flour.
No. Are you sure? A real pro. There you go.
We have no courgette. We need courgette.
And what colour are the peppers?
Red. We need red ones. Should you get one?
Or is that all you want?
I'll get two.
What?
You don't need to get two, do we?
Just get one. Two.
Two.
45p, it's a bargain.
Hello, so we are now back and I'm now going to show you what we got from Aldi. So I've got some lettuce, some olives, some peppers, baby plum tomatoes, spinach, some avocado, asparagus, courgettes, got grated cheese. I like buying it grated because it's just so much more convenient. Cottage cheese for the pasta. Got the sausages, we've got 2 sweet potatoes for the taco sweet potato meal, got the pasta fillets which we're gonna have with mash. I already had potatoes and a lot of the ingredients for the meals. I already had the ingredients that we needed, most of them anyway, so I had to just get extra stuff to top up. We've got some bananas, some chopped tomatoes and coconut milk for the curry. Then we've got some nectarines, bread, tea cakes for David's lunch, not for me, garlic powder, some wraps and just boring wipes. And that was everything, guys, and that came to a total of £27.46, and I think that's a bargain because normally we spend about £70 to £80 in Asda or Tesco's, but that's including a lot of meat and a sort of bigger shop, I'd say. But I feel like if we got the exact same thing that we got here from Asda or Tesco, I still think it would be around £40–50 anyway, because you just see a lot of like £1 items and £2 items in Tesco and Asda, but in Aldi there's a lot of like 52p items, 70p, that sort of thing. So I feel like that's where you can save a lot of money with the pennies. So I'd say Aldi is cheaper. And normally I complain about Aldi because of the food shopping experience. Normally it's very hectic. They're just sort of throwing your shopping at you and you have to just bag it up instantly. But this time it was so much better because they had the self-checkout, and I think they probably had that for a long time now, but I've only just seen it. And it's so much nicer, like it makes the experience so much smoother. So I really enjoyed doing that. And yeah, so for the meals, so the taco stuffed sweet potato, I got the avocado for it, and the tomatoes, got the sweet potato obviously, and the cheese, cottage cheese, spinach and mushroom pasta. I already had mushroom, so that's why I just got spinach, cottage cheese, already have pasta. The sausage and veggies and rice, I got the sausages, and veggies I'm just going to use broccoli and the courgette that I got, and peppers, and then obviously rice. I already had broccoli and the rice. The batter fillets and mash and asparagus, already had some potatoes, so I'm going to use the batter fillet that I bought as well as the asparagus, and then already had potatoes for the mash. And then curry, I already have a curry sauce that I'm going to be using. Already have a lot of chicken in the freezer as well. And then rice, already got that as well. And then for lunches, we're going to be making this dish, minced rice, beans and vinaigrette. So I got tomatoes and peppers for that. And then we've got chicken wraps, so I got the wraps. And again, I already got chicken, so I'm going to be doing that, putting lettuce and a bit of mayo in, and that is it. Hi guys, excuse my face, I just got back from work, so this makeup's definitely melting off it, and it's basically Tuesday today. So when I last spoke to you, or Saturday, that's when I did my Aldi food shop, and today's Tuesday and we pretty much ran out of a lot of it. I will say, the lettuce I got from Aldi, we just literally opened it on the same day and it had like a weird funky smell, so we had to chuck that. So we couldn't use any lettuce, we didn't have any lettuce to use. And then when it came to today, I was like, you know what, I've had enough, I'm just gonna go and get some more stuff. But that's not necessarily Aldi's fault, it's more like I just forgot to add things to the list. So like a lot of it I thought we already had. So like chickpeas for the curry and all that sort of stuff I thought we already had, but we obviously didn't. So today I had to go and just do a food shop for all of that. And to be honest, keep watching till the end, but it was actually not that expensive. And I feel like we've got more stuff, if that makes sense, from Asda. Don't know if I've mentioned that it was from Asda. So yeah, I'm gonna share with you guys, and sorry if you clicked on it for an Aldi food shop, because it ended up being an Asda one because I needed more stuff. So yeah, I thought I'd show you it anyway. So here we go. Got pizza. I got this for tonight because I was gonna make the tacos that I said, but I'm meeting my friends soon, so I'm not gonna be able to make that. Probably take me about 40 minutes to 1 hour, because I was gonna make the jacket sweet potato. So yeah, I got that. Got some strawberries and blueberries for my porridge in the morning. I decided I want to have that. Got some yogurt for work. I'm gonna take these ones that like that size. Helpful. So I got these. They look really nice, and you get like mango, strawberry, kiwi and apricot. So that's that. And we've got chickpeas and some sweet corn. So chickpeas for the curry. There's another can here as well. And then sweet corn, because I just love it on everything, like tuna mayo and sweet corn sandwiches, or tuna mayo sweet corn pasta. We've got some honey, again for the porridge and for matches. And then I've got some ham, got some romaine lettuce, hopefully these won't smell funky. And then we've got some bread. The other one that I bought from Aldi was a bit too small. We've literally eaten in like a day or two. And then I've got some aromat. We tried to get this in Aldi, but I think it's because they don't have a lot of branded stuff that we can get it. I don't want to sound like I'm talking crap about Aldi, but it is what it is. Got pesto here for pastas. And then onto snacks. I thought we just need some snacks for work because, to be honest, sometimes I just need a little pick-me-up in the afternoon. So it'd be good to have one of these. So I got these Fibre One bars, 90 calories. They're quite expensive, guys, £1.50. And you can get the protein ones of them, but they're like £3. And I just don't think I can spend that much on it. Then we've got some milk, we've got some tissues because it's cold season. I feel like I'm about to get it. Then we've got some mini cheddars. I'm going to take these for work as well because they're really nice. And they're actually quite low in calories, 73. So quite happy with that. Then we've got some Velvetas for David. And then some Skinny Whip for me. Big bag of potatoes. And then I got a Mother's Day card. How cute is that card? So yeah. Yeah, you would have watched it. And Mother's Day will actually be gone by then, but yeah, so that was it, guys. That was it for the food shop. And yeah, back to the outro that I filmed before. So yeah, I thought it had already ended, that video was ready for you guys, but I thought I'd include this bit, to be honest. So roll on past me. What a numpty, I completely forgot to tell you how much it was. So it was £35, 35.64, and to be honest, that's really good. I feel like I got quite a lot, so definitely worth it. So that was it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope it was helpful to you to see the difference in between prices and what you can get for your money. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.